I suck it. No, I'm not. I suck.
Rice. Rice is life to more than 50% of the world's population. Welcome to EJ's Adventures. In today's video, we're going to learn how to plant rice. We're traveling to Bicol region in Camarines Norte province. Meet up with my nephew Romnick in the city of Talisay, Barangay San Isidro. Come on guys, let's go. The barangay of San Isidro, about 9 kilometers away from Dayat, which is the capital of Camarines Norte province. Hey, good morning guys. This is Nick from EJ's Adventures. We're here in the Philippines. We're learning how to plant rice and all the efforts that go into planting and harvesting rice. So come join us today as we learn all about planting. One of the key components in rice farming is water. As you see here, there's a canal adjacent to the rice fields. From here, you can see the water is flowing from the canal. Flooding into the rice field itself. As you can see here, unlike other first world countries, rice farming in the Philippines is very manpower intensive. You can see the young lady is planting the rice by hand. Look how quickly she plants. And the seedlings is part of the rice preparation. As you can see here, the rice fields are tiered to help with the flow of water and proper irrigation. So the carabao is used to till in the soil, getting it prepped. Then the next phase is to level it out for the planters to plant the seedlings. And this gentleman right here is spreading out the seedlings. This right here, guys, are the rice seedlings. Hey guys, as you see, this is Romnick here. He's using a farming device to create the lines for the planters. I'll put the name of the type of device that this is in the description box below. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Done.
Like that. How far down? Okay guys, I'm gonna come on this side because you got to walk backward as you plant the rice. Okay. As you can see, my messing with the lines here. So as Robin showed me, guys, take the bundle, 3, 4, or 4 to 5 pieces of rice, seedlings, like that. Definitely hard. Estimate. As you see, guys, they're quick. I suck at this. Oh, that's too many. Yeah, this is very back-breaking, very manpower intensive. Yeah. And how far distance? I would suck at rice planting, guys. That's too many. Okay. That's not enough. He's quick. I still got the whole. He's almost done with this.
I suck at. I suck at this. Hey guys, rice planting is hard. Very manpower, very back-breaking experience. Okay, this ain't gonna work for me.
One of the biggest challenges in the Philippines right now is have enough workers to man the rice fields. The average young Filipino is not turning to the rice farms. So the Philippines is having issues with shortage of workers. And since vast majority of all the rice planting is done manually, they're having production issues, or harvesting issues, I should say. After working a hard day in the rice fields, nothing better than cocoa juice, fresh coconut juice. Come on guys, let's get some.
Wow, napaano ko sa vlog.
Hey guys, fresh coconut juice. This is what a lot of the farmers are out there. They're thirsty. Hike up the tree.
Okay guys, we'll try it fresh. No need from a box. Very masarap.
Masarap naman pala.
Yeah, very masarap. You guys come to the Philippines, make sure you have fresh coconut.